What's up, drop services? On this channel I show you how to make money online using strategies and tactics from my real online businesses that get results like these. In today's video, we're getting into the top 5 tips how to make money online coming from my journey of being in $60,000 of student debt to $1 million plus online. Wouldn't it be great if you just knew everything you needed to know to get the success you want? Obviously, right? When I started as a beginner, I had no idea what I was doing and had to pay $5,000 for a course to learn the tips to success. But I've been doing this for a while now, so today you're going to get the top 5 tips to make money online from my journey. So I recommend staying to the end of this video if you want to achieve success in online business like these people here did. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video. Some say it can improve happiness 1780%. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more strategies and tactics you need for your business journey. And as we go through the video, comment below any questions at all and I'll personally answer you in an upcoming Q&A video. So let's jump into it. It feels like just a few years ago, I was just starting to learn how to make money online. Today, I have multiple successful drop servicing businesses and education business that actually teaches drop servicing. So there is a massive gap between where I was and who I was then and who I am today. So in this video, I'm going to go through my journey to show you how you can get to where you want to go to from where you are with the top 5 tips I learned along the way. By the end of this video, if you actually make it through, you'll have the 5 things you need to implement to consistently make money online too. Learning how to make money online drop servicing gave me the passive income to work from home and travel the world with my online business, and you can achieve the same thing too by following the 5 steps that I'm going to reveal today that will teach you everything you need to know to make money online using the ultimate side hustle of drop servicing. So we have a lot of videos on drop servicing. I'm going to kind of skip over what it is, but entrepreneur motivation is super important when first starting your online business, and learning from success stories of others can really help, especially when it's the kind of rags to riches journey I went through. So if you're looking for that business motivation from a goal achievement story that also teaches you step by step how to make money online, that's what I'm giving you here. And these 5 tips are very actionable. So I started out stuck in the matrix, not at all knowing it was possible to start an online business. Once I learned it was possible to make money online, I procrastinated for years before I even took the leap. By the time I started my first business, I was in $60,000 of student debt from college, working part-time in a call center. After realizing I couldn't do it on my own, I bought a course for $5,000. And after making every mistake in the book, I learned a few simple things that skyrocketed my success. I got my first few $1,000 sales a few months in. Then a few months after that, I was making enough money to travel the world, digital nomad style. And then from there, it was basically a freedom travel lifestyle with sales flowing in and passive income constant from my drop servicing business. So the reason I'm using my story is there's so many tips that we can use, and actionable tips at that, for you to implement yourselves and then get the results you need to kind of skip that learning process of making all of the mistakes like I did in your journey to success, whatever that means for you. So if you like tips as much as I do, hit the like button and let's go deep here. First, I'll introduce each tip with a short story from my journey to burn it into your brain. Then we'll break down the secret quickly and I'll detail how you can practically take action on the secret on a day-to-day basis to achieve the success you're after in the fastest way possible. When I first heard that online business was possible, it sounded so amazing. I had so much motivation, so much energy. I was going to achieve it all. Then nothing. Why? Because the problem is we like the idea of the goal, the idea of achieving it, but we attach too much pain to the actual doing of the actions that would lead to that goal, so we don't even take action. And 99% of us never achieve our goals. We don't really want our goals that badly because we don't have the leverage to achieve them. We're too comfortable in our current reality, so it becomes a comfortable prison. Because of this, it took me 2 years before I actually started taking action with online business, and I only did it because I had to. I was forced to by change. External change is what usually forces forces us to change. So tip number 1 is procrastination, which is simply the act of delaying or postponing something. We all know what it is because we all do it, right? But if you're going to make money online, you need to actively force yourself to overcome this natural habit by putting the pressure on yourself, because nobody wants you to be successful but you at the end of the day. You can achieve that by creating a plan, then sticking to that plan, and if you fail to achieve the day's tasks on that plan, punish yourself. Something that's painful enough that you wouldn't want to do it, like giving money to a cause that you hate or some physical exercise challenge. The truth is, people are animals and we react to reward and punishment. Today, we're so comfortable, it becomes hard to take action without some crazy external forces. So we need to put that pressure on ourselves. When I was starting out, I tried to build my first website. It took me about 3 months and it was a lot of work. I did as much research as I possibly could and I had finished it. I thought I had done a pretty good job. I was super excited to launch it, so I pressed that big exciting publish button and boom, nothing. Crickets. Frankly, the website was horrible and the execution of the idea was horrible. Even after researching as much free content as I could, I still ended up with something horrible because frankly, I didn't know what I was doing. All the research I did was so great and general and bland because most of the content people put out is made to appeal to the most general audience possible, which is great for them because they get a lot of clicks and views, but it's not good for those of us who actually look to take action and build something. So secret number 2 is don't start blind. That was my problem. I relied on unhelpful information and got unhelpful results. But once I found someone who knew what they were talking about and was doing what I wanted to do, I was able to get results very quickly. 3 months after taking this guy's course, I was making thousands of dollars online. It's very important you don't start blind. Listen to those people out there who are a few steps ahead of you doing what you want to be doing. Then implement their advice rather than getting distracted by noise or listening to billionaires. In the end, the path is only lit with the light close by. So you need someone not too far ahead of you in the journey so you can actually implement the tactics that they teach you. Leading on from that, the problem of noise and distraction is the insidious pull of everything around us that prevents us from doing the one thing that matters in the long run. You see, we're comfortable already with our Netflix and pizza. We don't need to be successful. So when it comes down to it, more often than not, we will choose the easy path. Should we work on our business or should we go out and party with our friends? What one is easy to choose? And the problem is, it's not just one choice, it's thousands of little choices that add up in one direction or the other. You're either going up or down. Stage 1 is getting over the easy choices of partying or working, but stage 2 is even more subversive and difficult to see. Should you focus on making your logo look nice or sending out more offers? Which one is more difficult? Most would say sending out offers because you're afraid of rejection, so you find distractions that seem like they're helping your business move forward, but really they're justifications for not doing the things that truly matter in getting sales and making money. So not only do you need to consistently make the right decisions on a simple level of pizza versus work, but you also have to make the right decisions in your business around what's going to get you the most sales, and that's done by following secret number 3. Be consistent in making the right decisions around what's going to get you from where you are to where you want to be in the fastest way possible. This is done easily by identifying what activities will bring you the most result in the least time, energy, and money. In business, this usually comes down to your ability to make more offers and consistently make those offers over the long term. Not just do it for a few days, then give up. You need to make the right decisions until it becomes a habit you're entirely comfortable with. Now, in saying that, you've beaten procrastination, you've got the right information, and you're consistently implementing that information, right? Maybe you're even getting some sales and making a bit of money. But if you really want to scale and build a big business, you can't just do what you're currently doing because you just keep getting what you're currently getting. Secret number 4 is always test and improve. Let's say you're doing cold email and you're consistently sending an offer and getting 10% replies to your emails. That's great and you'll make a lot of money, but what if you could get 20% more replies? You'd literally double the money in that example, right? But you won't know unless you test new things, try new things, work on your system, and see what you can improve. Innovation is the mother of progress. If you want to build a truly successful business, you must always test and improve. It may seem obvious, but it's very easy once you're getting a bit of results in here and there to just give up on testing it, right? In all honesty, everything we've covered so far will get you from where you are to where you want to be. Making the right decisions consistently, avoiding procrastinations are the key, making offers on a daily basis and optimizing those offers by testing, but all of this won't matter much if you don't choose the right business model. Some business models have too much competition and not enough customers to go around. Some require you to get thousands of customers to make decent money. But the thing is, if you don't choose a business model that has some kind of recurring passive income aspect to it, then you're not going to get the results you're after. So secret number 5 is choose the right business model. Now, before we reveal super important bonus secret number 6, in case you haven't done it already, don't forget to like the video. It's really good luck and will make you feel great as well. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more strategies and tactics that you can actually use in your online business journey. Comment below any questions at all you have for me from this content or any other content at all, business questions and all of that, and I'll personally answer you in an upcoming video. So bonus secret number 6, can I get a drum roll please, somebody? Is to stop watching this video, go and make your plan, then consistently take action on that plan every single day to achieve your success. Your success is in your hands. All I'm giving you is the information to go out there and take the success you want. If you want to learn more about starting a real online drop servicing business, click the link in the description below to watch the free 3-hour training on the 3-step process we use to build a new online business and make $12,000 in 6 days. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video.